Sabi po kasi si Congressman Terry Ridon, who's heading the House Infrastructure Committee, na yung mga binisita po ni President Marcos na ghost infrastructure projects are NEP originated and not congressional initiative originated. Ano po yung...
We'll try to find out if this is correct. Maybe if it is NEP or initiated, we will try to find out. Pero for as long as it is ghost project, then we will have to file the necessary charges against those who are included in it.
Opo.
In fact, today I think I have issued the preventive suspension of the district offices involved in yung ghost projects na legitimately. Well, they'll have to establish my liability kung ano kung nangyayari po doon.
Pero sir, at this point in time, you are confident, you can confidently say you did not benefit from any infrastructure project. Wala pong corruption on your
Absolutely, on my part.
end.
No, I don't even have to tolerate. I don't tolerate this kind of attitude. That's why I'm filing all the charges against anybody who are involved actually in these ghost projects that have been discovered by the president.